Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to add ESXi host to VCenter server step by step. As you see in earlier videos, we already installed the VCenter server on shared iSCSI data store on ESXi host. Now we will add the ESXi host to vCenter so that we can manage all ESXi hosts from vCenter server. Instead of managing all ESXi hosts one by one, we can manage ESXi hosts centrally from vCenter server. By adding ESXi host to vCenter, we can use features such as high availability or fault tolerance from vCenter server. So let's start how we can add ESXi host to vCenter server. So let's log into our vCenter server. Alright, as you can see, it's a fresh vCenter server. There is no ESXi host on this system. So first of all, before adding ESXi host, we need to create one data center. So let's do it. Right click, then select new data center, then provide name of the data center. Suppose I am giving here test, then click OK. Now data center is created. Now on this data center we will add ESXi host. Right now I'm having 3 ESXi hosts, so we'll add all 3 ESXi hosts under this data center. So right click on this data center and click on add host. Provide the host name or the IP address. As I'm not using DNS in my environment, so I'm just putting the IP address of my ESXi host. Click next, enter username and password, click next, next. It's an evaluation license, so continue with next. Now there are 3 options here, so I'm selecting the default one, which is disabled. You can select normal as well. In normal, the host is accessible only through the local console or through the vCenter server, and if you select the strict one, the host is accessible only through the vCenter. The direct console UI services stop, so you cannot access ESXi host from DCUI. You can only select the ESXi host through vCenter server only if you select the strict one. So, and in normal you can select the ESXi host either through the local console or through the vCenter server. So I'm selecting the default one, that is disabled. Click next and click next and click finish. Now as you can see, my ESXi host is added under the test data center. We click on this, then it's showing that there is one VM available under the ESXi. That is, this one is the vCenter VM. So let's add other host as well. Click add host, provide the IP address, Next. Now add one more host. Okay, now my all three ESXi hosts are added in vCenter server. So now I can easily manage all ESXi hosts centrally from the vCenter server. I'll show you one more thing. If you want to minimize this toolbar, you can minimize by clicking on this pin. You can just click on this pin. You can minimize this toolbar like this. If you want to maximize your vCenter server screen, so in this way you can maximize the screen, and if you want to check the toolbar, you can just click on the toolbars like this. You want to check the work in progress, just click on this toolbar and it will show you the details like this. And if you want your toolbar to come up again in the same way, in the default way, you can do it from here. Like then click here, click on layout setting and reset to default layout and click OK. One more, layout setting, reset layout, and like this. So as you can see, all layout are come back in the normal way. So in this way you can do these settings. So this is the way by you can add ESXi host to vCenter server. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video and have a good day.